Check, check, check. That part. Test, test, test. Test, 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 test. Can you guys hear me okay? Let me know if you guys can't hear me. So you know so. Hold on. Let me fix real quick. Okay, cool, awesome. Yeah, I was just setting up the link for a little bit. But what about it? We're gonna start in 5 minutes, so stay tuned. Um, see, Alexander, hey, are you are you trading tonight or were you trading yesterday? If you are trading tonight, let me know what pair you're looking at, so I can definitely help you out. Um, nice. Yeah. Awesome, awesome. I'm just gonna let everybody get a chance to come in real quick. Um, let's see. Let me see what I can do here. Um, all right, let's see. Get that set up. So there's no news for until 3 tonight. So we're gonna start in about 3 minutes. What's good? Hold on. see who's on here. Let's see. All right, guys. How's it? Right now it's 12. Definitely gonna go. But what we looked at, yeah, US. But yeah. So as of right now, I mean, we're looking. What I've been talking about, for the last couple of days is that we don't know what's the dollar index. So, in my opinion, right now, it might even come up zone. What I predicted, it's like it might come up here and then consolidate and go down from there. But it's like then again, then this, you know, AUD/USD is gonna go down also. So actually no, hold on. See if the US if the come down, you know, if it comes down, then Euro AUD will go up. So that's a play. Oh, why did what happened? It just crazy right now. Let's see. Um, but yeah, it's definitely up here. I was saying that if anything, this is my quoted right here. So, if this comes up here, definitely you can definitely I really feel like if it come up here, it'll respect it, and then it's gonna drop down from there. But like I said, I predicted that's not gonna happen until end of next year. So we still got time, but again, I really think this is gonna keep going up. Because of what everything's going on right now, the pound, the euro, it's all going crazy right now. So as of right now, the dollar is going up. It's getting strength. So now, once it go up and up and up, just get ready for like about 2 more months whenever the election happens, or a month or 2 months from now. I'm not sure when that's gonna happen, but you already know that once the president's sworn in, all that stuff, the dollar's gonna drop at least like 1200 to 1500. So definitely be aware of that. So I mean, pretty much right there, like you can already make your move from up here. So pretty much like if you have your alarm, like like you set up right there, for it to once it get up there, it'll alert you. But other than that, like you should be in a safe for um right here. So again, if this respect this zone, and here I'm gonna show you where I draw this one up real quick. It's which is right here. So what I was thinking was the it's making the I think somewhat a pattern right here. Definitely it's been following the trend for a very long for a while now. So definitely we might see a downtrend from either up here, or up here. So again, we don't know what's gonna do. All we can do is respond to the market. Just take what the market gives you and just work with it. That's how I trade, and pretty much the same things right here. If it's loading right. um my euro odd. It's definitely, so it went up from here, went up, shot back up, and then came right back down and go down again to retest. Okay, so we might even see what it might even comes down to right here, and then the dollar could go up just a little bit more respect and then come down from there. So again, that's another confirmation right there. We'll see what we'll see what's gonna do. I think we still got a little bit to, well, we're right there right now. So definitely be aware of this right here. So again, if this gonna respect, okay, if this respected, then you already know that this is gonna come down, this is gonna go up, okay? And then if this goes up, AUDUSD, it's gonna come down, which is what it's been doing. And I actually call out that it's gonna come back up to this zone and retest. So look what it did. Look what it did. It came back up there to retest, then it dropped. You know what I mean? That's how So here you go. So now it's gonna drop right here, consolidate, and then drop some more. So maybe like we might even see where it comes down to, um, right there. So one drop after this consolidation, one drop, and then consolidate, two drop, and then third drop. That might be the plan for this pair. So because we have a large quarter down here, so we already know that this our large quarter is our resistance line. So definitely be aware of that. Definitely you want to look for, going back to the market structure is, what I look at in a trend. If it's going up, it's gonna go up either at least three or four level of rise, and then same thing, four or three or four level of drop. So and then after that, it's a new cycle. It's up and down, up and down. It's a pattern that you have to be able to see, because one, and again, go like when like I told you guys, I study for 10 hours a day. And, if you want to get good at something, definitely put your time and effort into it. I can't, I can't stress that enough. Like, as you guys know me, like I said, I study for 10 hours a day, and I did for that for 3 months straight. You know what I mean? So, again, if you want anything, just you gotta put in the work. You know what I mean? Like at the DFW Trade House, we didn't even go to sleep until like 4:30 this p.m. So everybody is still asleep. Mike Mount, Jordan, everybody still asleep because one, we grind all day, all night, and then we get about 5 or 6 hours of sleep, but I mean, we sleep whenever people come back to work. That's a luxury, that's a blessing that that we're able to get. I mean, because we work every single day, we work hard on ourselves, and it's the same thing as force. Like you gotta work hard, you know, for you to play hard. You know what I mean? So it's it is what it is. So let me look at news real quick. Um, let's see. It's loading, so give me a second. Alright. Yo, what's good? What's good? Let's see. Let me why is it staticky right here? I don't know why it's doing this. Because it did. Hold on. Test test. Okay. But yeah, so what I've been noticed lately, ever since I've been really trading, GP JPY is the news for GP always comes out at between three actually at 3:30 every single day. Um, so obviously we don't want to. For me, I don't trade news, so news doesn't really matter to me. Like I always tell you guys, that news really for me is finish the pattern. of what it's trying to do. Either have that little extra push to to the zone here and there. It's the same thing as that right there. The news might come out here and right there. It might have a little push and then finish that pattern and then start a new trend from there. So and then we can see that obviously this drop down came back up to retest. That's why I said no retest, no entry. So if you want to be sure of your entry, you want to make sure that the trend's going the way that you want it to. Definitely get into it whenever it retests. Sounds good. All right, awesome. I never know you had a. It's not my pug. It's a Treehouse or it's Jordan's pug, but yeah, definitely not my pug. I would like one though, but see, let me pull up something real quick. Let's see. Yeah, let me get something out of my notebook. Yeah, he's with that pug life, man. Let's see what I can teach you guys today. Nation price session. Let's see. I'm trading USD CAD. I was actually looking at that last night. Let me look at that real quick. Okay, dang. Oh wow. This jump right here though. That 104 pips freaking jump, man. Dang. Matt, you looking at this? USD CAD? Look at USD CAD. Wait, just pull up the little screen thing on the bottom. Yeah, yeah. Look at that right there. Look at this. Let's. I want to see if there was news. Let me go back. What time was it? It was at 9. It was last night at 9, right, John? I was yeah. At 9 last night. I want to look at that real quick because I think that happened whenever I hopped on. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, at 9. Cat News was going ham, all red folder. So and again, it's some of this news sometimes you don't really want to rely on it too much just because as I always say, think of like the 5%, you know think of the 5%. What do they think, whenever they're trading, like observe the mass and do the opposite, and the same thing whenever you're looking at the chart, I mean looking at the news. It's like, you know you gotta think of, okay, they're having this kind of news coming out and all this stuff. Is it there to fake you out? Is it, this and that? So then that's why I don't trade news, because it's sometimes, sometimes it's unpredictable, and I rather, be safe than sorry. So, that's why I just, whenever if there's news, I usually don't trade. Um, but other than that, I feel like your entry was 1.32394. Let me see what was your entry real quick, bro. Let's see. See, 132. Okay. Hey, you just got in, bro. Trying to catch that. Let's see. I mean, I would just get out 25 pips in and out. Okay, cool. Yeah, definitely. But yeah, just be cautious, man. Whenever you're doing that, because um, lately, USD CAD has been up, pretty popular. I mean, 14% of traders are trading that right now. A lot of people are going short, but that's good that you're going long, because I mean, you already know that it's pretty popular, and like I said, it's a lot of people are selling right now. So as the market maker always likes to do, is oh, scalp. Okay, okay, I see you. You've been scalping. All right, I got you. But yeah, like for USD CAD, once a lot of people are selling, sell, and you already know if this has been going on, it's been it's been faking people out. It's been, it's definitely, like even like right here, if I would have gotten right here, to be honest, because one, this is my zone right here, and then obviously it shut down, and then if you didn't take your profit, if you were being greedy, you're, you know, let's say you would have been in, you know, see, $47, 47 pips, um, 47 pips pullback. So if you over leverage your account, then your account's been blown. But if you use proper risk management, then you probably caught some pips on that one. But I was shorting it, then it shut up. Took my loss down. I'm gonna okay, yeah, definitely. You gotta be careful. When you're doing that, because one, like I joined this out for you guys yesterday, was this scalping, or not scalping. Um, hold on, let me change this color real quick. Um, what is this doing here? Hold on. Let me go to one on the daily chart real quick. Um, Definitely there's zone, but I really think it's gonna keep coming up here. Maybe even wicket to up here. Who knows? So, definitely it's been going sideways. So, um, hmm, it's definitely been going sideways a lot. But I mean, that's on the daily. So, again, I really feel like this might even come up here. They come back down. But to continue the uptrend from here. So, um. Let's look on again. I feel like this on a daily. I feel or on a weekly. I feel like it's like it's doing this retracing right now because one it's been going up for a very long time. If you think about it, it's been going up for a very since starting 2010. Good. Yeah, I just got your picture, John. That looks good, man. That looks good. I saw it. But yeah, I feel like this is just another a retracement, and then again, if it could like come up here, which is at 1.34, I mean you can definitely I would sell from there because one it's been pretty high from there. Again, this is the high. So what can we do to see when it's gonna reverse? Take that right there. Let's see. Okay, so there's a zone up here which is at the 38.2. That's where we're gonna have our um that's where we're gonna have our that's where I would put my pending order, which is at 38.2, but that's not always gonna be a permanent reversal. So definitely it's gonna be a fast and aggressive pullback or a sell, but then it's definitely I feel like it's gonna go up to maybe even go to up to 61.8. um so we'll see. We'll see about that. Because I mean, again, if it goes up to the 38.2, then it'll be just going up to, let's see, what it. Hold on. Yeah. So we're looking at. I'm looking at it right there. Like I said, this even goes up to right there. Like I said before. And that's me even without even saying or without even using Fibonacci. Test. Okay, cool. I didn't hear myself for a second there. But yeah, I mean, other than that, John, I think you should be good on the buy. Um, again, like I said, I really feel like either could come up here or stay down there. But at least, you can definitely catch a couple pips going up. I said, from to there, it's 25 pips. So, get in, get out. For you, if it's 25 pips per that pair that you're looking for, then boom, that's your pips for the day, and then get in, get out. But for Euro AUD, we might even look at coming down there, which is at 1.42658, maybe even a little higher than that, and then go up from there. This is a retracement right here, so we might look at it comes down here, or something. It's definitely I wouldn't trade this right now because one, it's the dollar's going crazy right now. Definitely I would wait for it to settle. Again, it's at the zone right here, okay? And then we have another zone up here. Not sure if we have another zone. Okay. Uh-oh, hold on. Let's see. You took it right to that zone. Yep. I better over in the more. Yeah. Um, I mean, if this broke, this trend right here or this zone, then we could definitely see that it's definitely gonna go up, and then once it retraces back again, and then go up again. But definitely, again, if it breaks, um, definitely wait for the retracement, and then you can buy or sell into your AUD, AUD USD or any USD pair. Because like I said, if you want to know what the dollar currency are doing, look at this one here, DXY. So definitely get used to looking at that. hmm Mm-mm-mm. I'm gonna extend this real quick. But yeah, let's see. Let's go look at 1 minute. So yeah, I mean, again, if it respect, then it respect. If it doesn't, either way, in any scenario of like, you know, going either break it or respect, we already know the play. You know what I mean? But it'll make sense. It'll make sense if this goes down and then this goes up again. So, um, what I say? Yeah, you can definitely use the same setup. I did see. You already know my quarter theory, so definitely did the same thing. If you go to your monthly, see, I did the same thing, man. I did the same thing. So yeah, definitely. Again, with every pair that you look at, definitely you can use this quarter theory. Again, if you want to catch 1,000 pips, you want to catch 500 pips, you want to catch 200 pips. This is the way you can do it right here. You know what I mean? Like I said, with any pair that you choose to trade. You look right there every time. It respect, respect, respect. So again, this at this major quarter. Okay, this at this major quarter. So we might even see where it goes up, come back down, or keep dropping and then break to the zone. Excuse me. See, it goes up and then goes. Hold on, let me look. 1 minute. 1 minute. Hold on. But yeah, if the U.S. dollar, if the U.S. String, the U.S. dollar goes up, then AUD USD is gonna go down, and GBP USD is gonna go down if the U.S. dollar. Actually no, I'm sorry. Yeah, if the dollar gains strength, GBP USD and AUD USD is gonna go down, and then if the dollar loses strength, AUD USD and then GBP USD is gonna go up. So the support is line and I have to go. Yeah, so it's great. Yeah, man, this is like again, I don't have a lot to teach you guys, but what I can teach, and like I said, I only teach people from my mistake, my experience, because this has all been back tested. I've done a lot of back testing. I spent a lot of time putting this. So this definitely, if you want to use this method, you want to use this theory, definitely go right ahead because again, if it's helping you, then and then that's all that matters. So, the core theory definitely one of something that I personally use, you know, and then if you think about it, okay, it broke through this large quarter. Look at this, just take a huge candle. So yeah, this might even start going up. Might even break through the zone. Might even go up to here. Might even go to here. And maybe the US dollar keeps gonna keep dropping. I mean, keep rising, and then you know AUD USD is gonna go down, which it would make perfect sense of why it would do that. You see right here how this is playing out, and this is how it's playing out right here. Okay, and especially what's going, like I said, what's going on in the world affects the forex market. Everything that happens, it happens for a reason. It's definitely there. But if you're able to see that why it's happening, you definitely can be a better trader then. So let me fix this real quick. Hold on, let me look at my setup for our side real quick. Oh, we got the sauce, so that's all that matters. Yeah, straight up. Let's see. Let's see. All right, and then there you go. So, and yeah, that's all I use. RSI, and that's it. Support and resistance, supplies and demand as well. Looking now, and sometimes, yeah, of course, definitely use Fibonacci's in there. Throw that in there. Price action, your support, your resistance, everything, your zone, trend line, everything. Like all the simple stuff. Like I mean, look, if you look at my, my chart, I don't have a lot of indicators, but just one. The RSI, that's I don't think that's really it can't get any simpler than that. I don't need all the moving average and that it's just too much. If you look, let 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 me show you guys something real quick. Okay, if you look at the pro or the top, okay, let's look at the top real quick. Okay, let's look at this guy's. Let's look at how he markets his chart. Okay, right there. Actually, no, I don't want to look at gold. Gold is just messed me up. I have a bad experience in it, so I'm not trading. I'm gonna look at get this real quick. I want to see. I want to find the recent one. I guess he always posts his stuff. I don't know why. It says top right up here, but I'm not sure why it says that. But definitely. So it says he's a pro. They comment no. Yep. Hey man, I'm being straight up with it. So I mean, like, look at this right here. Like, for being, the top or pretty. I mean, he has a lot of followers. It's just, and if you look at it, it's like he all. It's pretty simple. Like, you know, that's all he has. It's trend line, Fibonacci's, RSI. That's it. You know, definitely, like I said, don't complicate a lot of things. Um, definitely keep it simple. You know, and that's something I can't stress enough. Is like, whenever I started, yeah, I was using tons and tons of indicators. So, um, and it was messing with me. It was confusing me, every kind of way, and like I wasn't seeing. That's my, that's legit. My chart. You know what I mean? So like I said, keep it simple, keep it simple, and and then definitely be patient, and like I mean, like whenever you go into like for me personally, like whenever I woke up today, obviously like I trade full time, so if you do trade full time, like definitely like get out there and just you know go out, get some fresh air, live your life, and again, I don't look at chart 24/7. I really don't. And like when I'm trading, yeah, I'll trade for a couple hours, but I don't like, I don't look at the chart. I'm not always on my computer, so and everybody, actually every student that, that I'm mentoring, like they know that I don't look at the chart, every second, you know, every hour. So, um, what I mean? So definitely, if you look at a chart too much, you're definitely gonna go crazy or get better at trading. One of those two. Um, Actually, you know what? Let me pull up. Let me pull up the scanner for you guys real quick. Just live. Got the juice. Let's say good part about it too. Don't need, yeah, exactly. It's no point. Like that's the defeat the whole purpose of that time freedom. You know what I mean? Like I woke up, I went outside, and I longboard. Then came back inside, make breakfast. Um, it's something that it's a lifestyle. It's like pretty much replacing your job or something. It's like yeah, like I'm always like on my computer and everything, but I'm definitely not always on my chart. Um, so definitely, let me log in real quick. I want to see what the scanner got today. Or just like a quick buy, quick sell, real quick. Um, you getting it too, Matt? You guys sign up? I know, but just sign up anyways. I mean, it's definitely. It's not responding. Hold on. I don't know why it's doing that. Let me refresh. Well, I'm just gonna let it load and do its thing. Not sure what's doing right now. Hold on. Okay. It just. Damn, that's a lot of smoke. I know. Why is it not responding, bro? Imarketslive. Oh my god. I guess it's not working today, so. Or they're probably doing some maintenance on it. Hold on. Let me try it one more time. Should. Okay. Doesn't look like it's letting me lock in for some reason. Okay, so it's under maintenance right now. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, if you want to, hold on, let's see. Again, going back to AUD, AUD USD, I really feel like this was the retest on a small quarter, and then it's gonna go down from there. Other than that, that's really it for AUD USD and Euro AUD. Again, if you want to know, how the market's gonna move for a USD, definitely check out DXY, and then go from there. Do your analysis on there. Do whoa, wow, I drawn this up a long time ago. It broke through, came down. Wow, that's insane. I draw this up a while ago. Um, yeah, I did. See, and then right here came down, came back up, retest, came down. All this zone right here is perfect. Everything, I like it. Um, again, other than that, this is kind of gonna come up here, or break through here. So, definitely be cautious. Like I said, for me, if you don't have any setup, then stay off the mark. Stay off the market. Go do go hang out or do whatever you need to do. Because again, you do not want to chase the market. I'm telling you. And if you look at the RSI on Euro AUD, it's that again, I want to come for it to come down here before it start going up. So definitely keep your eye on that. Um, see, let's look at community outlook. Euro USD. I was actually looking at Euro USD last night, but for scalping, let me take a look again because I might be scalping that tonight. So, um, did not want to. Let's see, it's still dropping. Let me look at my zone. Definitely this zone right here. Um, let's see. I did not mark this one up, but I'm gonna do that real quick for you guys. My major quarters. About the actually it's in okay, so that's the lowest that it's been. Okay, so I'm gonna do this real quick. Then mark that one up. I'm gonna change it to black. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my major quarter. Okay, I can just do. You can either just do a major Q, or whatever you want to do, and then I'll go to my my weekly. Um, okay, so why do I have like 1,000 large quarter? Let me take a look at that. That looks right. So let's calculate that real quick. So this is 1,000 right there. So I'm not sure where this came from, but you're going. So now we're looking at 500. So now we're gonna be looking at. So now we're gonna look at major half. Um, yeah, we're gonna look at major half. Oh, major half, and then we're gonna work on our large quarter. So now, actually, we don't need that. We don't need this. Okay. Let's see. Mark it up right there, and then you can definitely do your um, large quarter right there. I'm gonna change this to green. So, and then I'm gonna do my large quarter. So, again, this definitely broke out of the large quarter. So it definitely could be working its way down to the major half. Um, but yeah, I mean, other than that, that's really my bias on it. Is I really think it's either it's gonna keep dropping, or let me find a support and resistance real quick. Let me go on my daily. Okay, so now we're looking at it right here. So this definitely there's a lot of rejection right here. So so see, and then Alright, so whenever you look you're looking for the wick, obviously you already know that this is gonna it's been testing, then it dropped. It's the same thing right here. And that that's how I was able to see my zone where price reject. Um but yeah, I mean other than that, that's really that's how I drop my zone. That's really all I look at is where the price reject from this right here. Um and then right here, up here, definitely up here, all the zone. If you look on the weekly, you look in the weekly, this definitely was right here. So again, I say I think it's gonna keep dropping. We might even see we might even see if it goes up. Let me look at my RSI real quick. I just want to see what the oh, okay, so I already have it. Um, we might even see what goes up to here and then go down again. So um, where it's going on 1 month, 1 month. Okay. See, no, see, 1 month draw 1,000 half quarter, then I draw the flat. What do you do when the wick or the candle just see when the wick or the candle just let me look at your chart real quick, but um see, I'm looking at a chart right now. Trying to figure out what are your example, like the support and thing. I mean, if if I mean like it's not always gonna be perfect. That and that's something you gotta know. If that the chart this if it's gonna respect because I mean if you think about it, if you're looking at trading view and versus your broker or different broker, they all have different lengths of the candle or the wick, so that's something you gotta know that. Because I mean, yeah, if you look right here, yeah, it might not even hit it, but in on your broker or like Traders Way, JFX, all this broker, it might even touch it or it might even wick it, all this stuff. So yeah, every broker, every platform is different. Um, yeah, definitely. Yeah, it like again, like I said, it really up to your broker. Like I said, it's they're all different lengths. The wick and the candle. But so, but yeah. Do you guys have any more questions for me? Hold on, let me get this all. I don't understand my broker chart this. What broker do you have? Um, cause what broker do you have? I just use trading view. So what do I do? Definitely, go back and forth to broker. What again? What broker do you? So I say that's probably why. You know what I'm saying? That's probably why. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Maybe, for me, I use JAFX. That's what I use. So definitely, try to look around, see what's worked best for you, and what's the closest to Trading View. For me, I'm fine with JFX. The spread is pretty low, and I feel like it's pretty close to Trading View. So, but oh, okay, I got you. I got you. Um, hmm. That's something. That's something that That's I don't know. I don't know, man. Definitely try to look around, see what you can do. Just message me, and I think I might have a solution for you. So, yeah. But other than that, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm definitely gonna see you guys on Sunday. I'm gonna see if I can get a special guest. So yeah, definitely look it up. But yeah, guys, you guys have a good night. I'll see you guys on Sunday.